there. Hope you're doing good. This is actually Universe from Fiverr, and this is a demo video, which is an example of you just shared the data. So how we can plot it on the time scale with the given values, maybe matrix at 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the minimum I know, and I try to plot it so that you can see what could be the dynamic parts in here. So you are giving me the limited information, and I'm just following that. Though there could be more out of it, and we can do more. So okay, let me show you. So these are the values you just gave me. So I started it from 12 to 9 so that we can see, you can see exactly the same format on the same scales, and you can see exactly the same view like this one, which is the third one, I guess. You just gave me this with these values, which nears around zero point zero 0.02, which is this one, zero point zero 0.02, zero point 0.2. So and yes, the time is plotting from left to right, which is into 10:45. So you have to plot it like this from bottom to up so that you can see from left to right. There are so many things we can discuss on these, but this is the view you can get from the values you just enter in here, and you will get the plot. So let me change this to maybe point 0.5. Yep, it should be 0.5%, like this. So you can see it's changed accordingly. Let me undo it. And there is another way to do it, which I can see that you are plotting it 300, zero above values and zero below values with some percentages. I don't know how you are calculating these percentages, but I tried to do that on the on this sheet. So here I have entered few numbers. Let me delete all these matrices. So this is a metric where you can enter the values between three. You can. I just took it from 10 minus 300 and 10 plus 300. So it will range from 299 to 310. So you can see currently it's plotting like this. Let me make some change in it. So you'll see if I'll make any change in the sheet. It's just a formula just to show you the random values. So just this is, you can see it's plotting exactly the same values, which are 307, 297, 292, 290. I have converted those to the percentages accordingly with the base has 300 in here. So that will exactly plot like this. So if you will make any change on this sheet, which is 290 and 36, you will see currently you can see this is the, let me move it on the other sheet. So this is the percent chart, and this is the number chart. Now let me make a change in the sheet so that you can see the pattern is being changed. Basically what it's actually doing, it's taking these 293, 294. So what it's doing, taking 300 as 0%, which is here, 293, which is here, which are around, which should be around 2.33% down. So 293 is basically 2.3% below than 300. Similarly, the 307 is way above, which is around 2.67 above 300. So that should be somewhere here, 2.3, 1.3. Yep, around 2.67 should be here. So it's near 3%. We can fix these vertical scales, or we can leave those empty. We can leave always those not controlling the boundary. We can always take the bounded data from the database. So whatever the values in here, in that case you will see the suppressed chart. So it is recommended, if you have a fixed values of higher or lower values, you can always take the numbers. So this is basically two plots with the base of number and with the base of percentage. So this is completely dynamic. You can add more matrices to it. Let me add more matrices so that you can see. So here you can see these are multiple matrices. I'm plotting four matrices out of it. So this could be the view of those matrices. These numbers are being aggregated from the values from here, which if I will change, you will see the plots will change accordingly. So this is just to show you our random values. If you have a fixed values, you have time limits, minimum, maximum, and similarly for the any metric, you have a minimum, maximum. We can plot accordingly. So that's it from my side. Please let me know. Thank you.